Hello everyone, welcome to VIbgyor Education YouTube channel. This is Harish in front of you. As all of you know that VIbgyor Primary School Rechapally has started a wonderful program for the sake of students and the children's bright future. So we hope that you all are following on this channel. At the same time, you are utilizing this best opportunity. And here we are thankful to you who are following us on this channel. At the same time, we are requesting you, please try to share this information with your friends, neighbors, near and dear ones, so that they can also utilize this excellent opportunity. Okay, let's start our today's topic. As you know that we are dealing with the fast math tricks. In the previous lecture, we have discussed multiplication of 5 with even numbers by using some examples. We have completed that one in the first part. Next part is that multiplication of 5 with odd numbers. But before going to the second method, once again I am going to back to this first method. Once again I am going to explain this one by taking some more other examples in a clear way, so that you can understand easily and you can do that one without any doubt. So once let's recall the last method with one example. That is, whenever 5 is going to be multiplied with any even number, and the answer we can tell that without using pen and paper easily. What is that method? Means here I explained that this one is called multiplier, and the next one, this one is multiplicand. Then coming to our method, we should forget this multiplier and we should consider this even number. Then after, we must take half of this even number, that is half of 32 is 16. After that we should keep 1 0. Then we can complete our result without a minute. But my point, we should forget this multiplier, that is 5. And the next thing is that whatever the even number is there, from that even number we should take half of that even number, that is 16, and after taking off that half, then keep 1 0, then we will get the result. That result is whenever this even number is going to be multiplied with 5. Up to here it is okay. What is that? Taking off half of the given even number and keeping 0. That is, if the even number is smaller, then taking off half from that number is easy. But coming to, if that number is bigger, like 5 is going to be multiplied with 294. 294 is a bigger number compared to that. So now, for some students, making or taking off the given number is difficult. Why? Because they are going to do this process. Some students, they can do, if 294 if they are taking, they are going to divide this one with 2. 2 ones are 2, then 9 should be taken down, and then after 2 fours are 8, 1, again this can be taken as here 4, 2 sevens are 14, the remainder is 0. Some students, they can do like this. Or some students who are somewhat intelligent and they can go like this. 294 can be cancelled with 2, means 294 upon 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 completed and 1 is remaining, 1 and 4 14, 2 sevens. But here, to make the given even number to off, if you are following these procedures, these are also time taking process. We have started, our topic is that fast maths calculations. But here, if you are using these regular methods, then what is going to happen? We are going to waste our time. So this is the problem so many students they are going to face. So here, In this video, I am going to explain how to take half of the given even number easily without following these methods. That's why once again I came back to this first method. I am going to explain this one once again in detail so that you can do very well. So now let us discuss that method easily by looking here, by taking into an example. See, I told that 5 is going to be multiplied with 34. Simply our answer is 170. That is 5 we should leave, and this is the considered even number, and half of this even number is 17. Then we need to keep this 0. So in this video we need to learn, we are going to learn, that is how to make 34 to its half easily. So now here we are going to see how to make this 34 to its half easily. One way I am going to tell, that way is called splitting of this number. Listen carefully how to do that. Let us consider that number. What is that number? 34. 34. If you don't know how to make it as half, just split that number. That is, this number I am going to split myself to 2 parts. One is 30 and one is 4. Got my point? Split the given even number to its simplest digital positions. And now here it is plus. And simply we can know that half of 30 is 14 plus half of 4 is 2. Then add these two halves, you are going to get the answer 17. Got my point? Take that even number and split that into an easy numbers. Then take half of those numbers and add those halves to get the result. Here, half of 30 is 15, half of 4 is 2. If you add these two halves, then you are going to get the whole half of this 30. Okay? So now let's take the splitting method for the bigger numbers and listen how I am going to split that and how I am going to get the answer. Here I am going to consider some examples. Listen carefully and practice yourself. Now consider some examples. 5 is going to be multiplied with 296. Right? And leave this number, that is multiplier, and consider this even number, and coming to our splitting method, split this number as 200, next 90, next 6. What's my point? 296 can be split as 200 plus 90 plus 6. And then take half of these numbers. What is that term? Half of 200. Simply 100. No need to worry. The next half of 90 is 45. The next half of 6, 3. Then add these halves. 100 plus 45 plus 3. 3 plus 45, 48. And 100, which is equals to 148. Then take this off to here to get the answer 148 and add 0 to this one to get whenever 5 is going to be multiplied with 296. To get the result, whenever 5 is going to be multiplied with 296, to get the result, keep 10 here by considering half of this 296. Here, how we got the 296? Split this number into 3 parts. One is 200, 100th position, one is 90, 10th position, one is 6, 1st position. Then, take half of those positions. Half of 200 is 100, half of 90 is 45, half of 6 is 3. Then, add this off. We got total half of this 296 and keep that here and take this here. So now let's apply this method to some bigger numbers and get the answer easily. Examples. 5 is going to be multiplied with 12 times 6. What? 5 is going to be multiplied with 1296. Then now, to get half of this number, split this number. I am splitting this number in 3 parts. 1296, 1296. But here I am considering myself in an easy way that I am considering 1200 as 1200 plus 90 plus 6. Then half of 1200 is 600 plus half of 90 is 45 plus half of 6 is 3. Then add these 3 halves. What is that? 645 plus 348 means 648. Then take this one to be here. 648 is half of 1296. Then after keep 10 so that it will be easy. Got my point? So now let's consider again one more example. 5 is going to be multiplied with 2846. Bigger number, right? Then answer we want. Before that we must take the half of this. So in order to take the half of this, split this number in your own easy. Here I am splitting like this. I am considering 2000 separately. Then after 800 separately. Then after 40 and then after 6. 2846. Here half of this one is 1000, half of this one is 400, half of this one is 20, half of this one is 2. And if you add these things, you are going to get that 1423. And simply keep this one here 1423, and to get the answer keep 0. That is your final answer. So like this you can apply the splitting method to given any kind of bigger number to make it a smaller and to get the half of that number. So, and to practice by considering so many examples yourself. First time itself it is difficult to you, but if you are considering so many examples and if you are practicing, then this one will become very easy to you. So I hope you have understood this method, and I am requesting you, please try to consider so many examples yourself and follow this method and get the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.